Hello everyone, it's LasithKArt in my next painting video, and today I'll be painting another beach scene, this time lawn beach. And sorry guys, but I won't be posting another video until a couple of weeks time, but I'll be back at it soon. So please enjoy the video. I'll list the equipment down in the description below. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so first of all, I begin by adding cerulean blue into the corners of the sky and working my way down with acrylic white, progressively getting lighter towards the horizon line. And then I begin adding the distant cliffs and hills in light green in the background. Now I add the water in a dark blue, progressively getting lighter and yellower in color as I work my way towards the beach line. Now I add shadows and highlights to the water. I begin working on the beach by using mixtures of light yellows and light oranges. And to finish things off, I add the ripples to the sand using darker mixtures of brown. And after adding some people in the distance and reflections on the beach sand, it's finished. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you all really enjoyed it. Now the name of this painting is Peaceful Evening at Lawn. And as always, don't forget to check out my Instagram and Google Plus at LasithKArt. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And I hope to see some of you guys in my future videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.